Happy Sunday, everybody. Mr. Lone Star here. I am in the east side of Austin, checking out the food trucks. I'm hungry. Gonna grab something to eat, some lunch. Let's check it out. All right, guys. So I got some pad thai food here. It's really good. I got the egg roll. Came with some chicken wings, Thai style. But overall, looks good, and I'm enjoying it. The egg rolls are good, crunchy, hot, spicy. I'm here at this food trailer. It was good. I really enjoyed it here, and they have this cool artwork and stuff. It's just a really hippie kind of style here. I like it, and yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll be back. The food was good.